outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a Christmas paper squishy collection, and here's a little sneak peek of what is in my collection. So anyways, let's just get started. To start off strong, I have this Christmas cake roll squishy, and it's 3D, and I also made a tutorial on how to make this on my channel last Christmas, I'm pretty sure. So if you're interested in making it, you can check the link I'll put in the description, and here's a picture of the video's thumbnail. And it's really soft, so I like it for that reason. And I also like the sprinkles, different sizes that I made. And it's one of my favorite Christmas squishies in my Christmas collection. So there is that squishy. Next, I have these two peppermint squishies. This one is made by my cousin Lydia. So thank you, Lydia, for this squishy. And it's just green, a green peppermint. It has a little heart. And a little face, of course, to make it cute. Little ASMR for you guys. There's that squishy. And then I have this red peppermint squishy I made, I think 2 years ago. It's actually a pretty old squishy, but I like how I made it, so I still have it. And it also just has a little face and is pretty similar to this one, just in a red version, and it's a little bit bigger. It's also good for ASMR, honestly. There are the two peppermint squishies. Next, I have these two Squishmallows squishies, and I showed these at the beginning. So you've already seen them, and also if you watch my YouTube shorts, you might have already seen them. This one is a snowman based off of a squishy I have downstairs that I'm gonna go run and get. So this snowman paper squishy is based off of this real squishmallow, and it's one of my favorite in the Squishmallow Christmas collection. I think it's so cute. He's super cute, and so I had to make a squishy version, paper squishy version, and there it is. It has the same snowflake scarf as this one, except the snowflakes are black. And then I just wrote Christmas 2023 on the back. And it was an alcohol marker, so it got a little bit thick, but that's okay. And then here is this penguin squishmallow based off of this real penguin squishmallow. And my brother actually drew this design. So, proud of Anthony. Good job, Anthony, my younger brother. Super cute, and it's just a simple squishy. It did bleed through on the back, but that's okay. I have another peppermint squishy, except this is a peppermint donut squishy, and the frosting is just like a peppermint. And I based this off a real squishy, and if I find it, I'll put a picture, but honestly I kind of forget what I based it off because I think I made this 2 years ago too, so it's been a bit, but it's still a good squishy. That's it for this Christmas donut squishy. Next I have this gingerbread man, tiny little guy, and I made it 3 years ago, I'm pretty sure. I have a really old video on my channel on how to make this, and it's not really that squishy, but it's so cute, and that's kind of the reason I made it, so I like it. And last but not least, I have this Christmas sugar cookie, and I made this packaging with it. And this is very new. I made this today. I mainly made this little sugar cookie to make packaging with it, but even on its own, it's really cute. So I like this simple squishy. And I put a little red bow because like bows are all trendy right now, and bows are super cute, of course. So in this package that says Mango's Bakery, and I just put it in like a Ziploc bag that I cut and stuff. And yeah, but anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Sleigh ride together with you.